Good day, traders. We have a very simple trade for you today, this Friday, August 6th, 2021. We're going to be looking at Tesla. Tesla has apparently benefited recently from news about the U.S.'s goal of being electrified in our vehicles. But, I think we all see the writing on the wall will eventually end up there. Who knows when exactly, but now Tesla and maybe some other EV stocks have gone up. It's tough to be bullish on something for me that's gone up. I find myself wanting to be contrarian a lot. This does not feel contrarian. But let's take a look at it. First, the trade overview. Very simple trade, a long call vertical. It's a debit spread, which makes sense because look at that IV rank of 1. Its liquidity rank is 4 out of 4. We're going to be in the weeklies, which does hurt liquidity some. So let's hop on into Thinkorswim and really take a closer look, shall we? Hi, everybody. My name is Neil. This is Option Theory. I want to thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for joining me in my little corner of YouTube. So if you watch this video to the end, I do appreciate that. That does help me. That's my small ask. If you could watch it to the end, that does help my view time. Thanks. All right, on screen you can see we've got this recent bump up here in Tesla, and we're near that upper band, which normally makes me feel bearish on something. That's a bearish signal. We got the MACD doesn't really give the bearish signal early. It's a lagging indicator here. This RSI though says we're pretty much near that overpurchased. All right, so got two pretty much bearish indicators, but who knows? Maybe the news, maybe the government behind it will help keep Tesla higher, maybe push it a little higher. So let's take a look and build out this trade. In the Analyze tab, let's go to Add Simulated Trade. Let's go to the September 10th weeklies, whose expiration is actually September 11th, 35 days to expiration as of today. And we're going to be at the 710 call in the money, which is a 55 delta. We're going to buy that one, and we're going to sell the 51 delta, or the 720 call. That gives us one contract here of the vertical that is $5. So it's a risk 5 to make 5 trade. Let's then go ahead and take a look at the risk profile and understand our probabilities. I've got the date in this top box here set to 9/11. I got that date from the turquoise number here in the bottom left corner, and that sets, I got our price slice right to where that turquoise line crosses the break even, the zeros, and we're looking at only a 46% probability of profit. But what's our P50? That's a metric we can't get from Thinkorswim. We can get it from Tastyworks though, so let's pull that up here, and we can see that we've got a P50 of 60% right there, 60% P50. So there's a good chance we could make, there's a 60% chance we could make $250 somewhere in the next 35 days. And that sounds exciting. Of course, there is the chance that we could lose $500 if this Tesla should decide to, I guess, correct itself and bring itself back to where it was. So that would not be awesome. But that's the trade for you today. So I want to go ahead and right-click this trade and review that which we already have said, basically. Make 500, lose 500. 60% chance of making half of that. That sounds pretty good. I'm going to leave that in my margin account, and let's see if the law of large numbers will work out for us. Let's hit send, and that puts that trade into our working orders, and I'm not hiding anything. Here's my margin portfolio right now. We have a BABA earnings iron condor that's slowly paying us thanks to theta, time decay. All right. Intel here. It's nice to actually see some winners. So many times I always say, look at my portfolio of losers. And hang on a second. Let me just click this little box here. There we go. Now you can see it a little. Nope. I made myself go away. Hitting all the wrong buttons. Hi again. All right. So, yeah, we actually haven't managed these winners yet. Normally, we've left with a pile of losers because I've managed the winners already. These guys maybe are managers. I could manage that iron condor right now, but I'd rather it pay me a little closer to 50% if possible. Let's take a quick look at the IRA. It's the end of the week. Sorry, I didn't plan on doing this, but it just, makes good sense. We've got those corn futures here. Let's see. They're actually working out for us here, both in our margin and on IRA. This is a iron condor here in the IRA because you can't do, I think we did a strangle in the margin account. We got Las Vegas Sands here. What do we have here? a short put on that one. XL is a electrified vehicle fleet, right? So you'd think that would have gotten a boost. Let's take a quick look at XL, huh? What do you think? Have you gotten into XL? No, it's just been real flat. All right, there it is. So big thumbs up to you if you made it this far into the video. I do appreciate you. If you feel I have earned a thumbs up, there is one down there. If you're looking to have someone to trade with and you want to do this daily and you want to take no risk, get all the learning, and then when you're ready to take the real risk, then hopefully this channel will be for you. There is a subscribe button. Go down to the description also after you subscribed and rung that bell, right? So that you get notified when these trade videos come out. Go ahead and sign up with Tasty Trade. They have some great email lists and we use their cherry bombs just to see if, hey, can we take somebody else's trade ideas and make it profitable? We'll be here for you when you do decide, if you do decide to join us. Thank you so much. I'll see you next week, everyone. Until then, may the market be with you.